Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to discuss linear layout. So let's get started. Start a new project. Select empty activity, click on next and give it a name and click on finish. Now go to resource folder, click on layout and select activity main. First change constraint layout to linear layout. And remove this part. Click on preview. Here we can preview our layout. Now let's take a button. Now here is the button. If I change it to the match parent, so you can see buttons width matches the parent, and you can set any width like 200 or any number. Okay, I'm changing back it to the wrap content and giving it a text, let's say button 1, and changing its background color. You can change color from here. I'm setting it blue. Now take another button, give it a text, button 2, and background. As you can see, these buttons are aligned horizontally. If I want to align these buttons vertically, so I will set its orientation as vertical. Okay, in higher version of Android Studio, the layout is set horizontally by default. Okay, so if I want to align these buttons to the right side, so we will use the attribute that is known as gravity, and if I write right over here, so these buttons are aligned to the right, and if it changes to its center, so it is aligned to the center. So it is a brief overview of linear layout. Now let's design a simple sign-in page. For this, we have to go to the project, and in drawable folder we have to paste the image. Just copy this image and paste it into drawable folder and give it a name icon and select OK. Now I will use this image here. For this, I will take image view, to show that picture src. It is in drawable folder and icon. Okay, as you can see, this image is too big, so let's resize it. We have to design layout like this. Now we have to take email address and edit text here. So for this, as you can see, it is aligned horizontal. For this, I will take a linear layout again, match parent, wrap content, and orientation as horizontal. Now take text view, to show the email address, text, email address, and text color should be, let's change it to blue color. Okay, and text size 18 sp. For text we always take sp. Now take edit text, and here you can see there is a hint, so we will add hint over here. Now align it to the center. Now copy this and paste it over here. Now change this text to password. Now we want to show the button like this. The button is aligned vertically, so we will take button outside this layout. Button text sign in, and text color should be white, and background I am copying this color and pasting it over here. Let's now run our application.